Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by assembling the essentials: hardware, OS, and server software. Install Ubuntu 22.04, set a static IP, enable SSH, and create a non-root user. Once done, update packages and configure disks with LVM or ZFS depending on redundancy needs. Next, install required runtime, Docker, or native packages. Pick one and stick to it. Make sure to open only needed ports and enable a firewall so you can proceed securely with the detailed setup steps next. Now you'll install and configure the storage stack. Pull the Docker Compose file for Nextcloud or Min.io, map data volumes to your LVM/ZFS datasets, and ensure proper UID/GID for file permissions. Next, obtain an SSL certificate with Certbot and configure automatic renewal. Secure the web interface behind HTTPS. Then tune storage policies, set user quotas, enable file versioning, and configure replication or RAID to protect data. Finally, validate service startup and check logs for permission or binding errors before moving to finishing touches. Finish by locking down and automating maintenance. Enable SSH key authentication and disable password logins. Activate UFWA with only necessary ports and install fail2ban. Configure scheduled backups to offsite or another node, enable snapshots for quick restores, and add monitoring so you catch issues early. Test restores by recovering a file and simulate disk or service failure to verify your plan. If something goes wrong, check logs first, journal, container logs, and audit permissions. Often fixes are permission.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.